You don't have to fasten them.
Okay, this is Alex, and he wants to try to get out of 2 chairs tied by ropes. 2 ropes.
You suck at tying ropes.
Okay, who cares? Ready? And he has 1 minute and 30 seconds to get out. Ready? Set, go!
It's not working too well.
Let's get you out of your face.
It's getting a little uncomfortable. Oh, Betho, by the way, you suck at tying ropes. Oh, hey, have a chair.
I think I'm getting your bat's eye or something.
No, dude, you swallow. This is not really fair.
You're relaxed, man.
No, I didn't.
And
And I fell down a hill.
is it?
Hold on, let me see.
Press up.
Okay, sweet.